Hello, it's Kathy from Utah DIY Wedding. I'm up in Woodland Hills at a beautiful farm where we just decorated for a wedding. One of the fun things when we do these weddings is sometimes we don't know what we're walking into. So I try and bring extra decor so when there's something there that's phenomenal, like a horse trailer, that we can decorate it for them. So I'm really happy with how this turned out. This bride did an incredible job. Instead of normal tables and chairs, they have done hay bales and made them into couches. And we're going to show you one, but here's the back of the horse trailer. They've got it with pillows and blankets and stuff so people can sit in it. But here's what they did. They got these pallets. I told them where to get these pallets for $20 each, and they made them into tables. And then they've got blankets around for their guests. We put some greenery, some fun lanterns, kind of rustic lanterns. We've got vintage cameras on all of them, little candles that'll be lit. But it's really cool. And here, they're going to have fires in here. They've got water on site. This is on a private property, so they're fine. And they've got lots of fun things here. And here they use 2 pallets to do a dance floor. But the guests are going to have a wonderful time here tonight with this wonderful setup for this comfortable things. They used our barrels and set up some lighting. We do dance floor lighting. And it's kind of fun to use barrels for these supports because then you can come in and you can decorate the top. So we just put a simple lantern and some greenery on it. How pretty does that look? Over here, the wedding starts in about an hour. They want to do it more of an evening. So they're going to have a wheelbarrow with water in it. And then here they've got sodas with ice in it. This is a s'mores bar that we set up for them. And they pre-did all the s'mores kits as a thank you. And these burners will be lit. They've also got popcorn they're going to have. They added caramels here, and we put sanitizer and masks with it, and skewers. They're also going to do cotton candy for their guests, so it's going to be really fun. We're going to swing around now. One of the things that they're doing is that they're concerned about people that may just want to do a drive-by. So they've got wood on the ground that kind of directs people so they can do the drive-through option. And they just put a cute little sign out here that says drive-through. And so you can see the whole thing from here, so you can drive through it. We did this incredible crate display for them. This was another thing. She said she wanted a crate display. Well, then when we got here, we found this huge sign that says their last name. And so we used that as a centerpiece in there. And I just love having a lot of decor because it gives us the opportunity that when we do these crate things that are so popular, that we can put some fun things in here. So here we've got a wreath on a stand, crates, those love letters light up. We've got the name of the people. And then here we've got more crates, and that microphone on the right-hand side, everybody always loves that. Some of our vintage cameras. We've got these cute little wine barrel stands that we love, so we use those, a little bike, and then another wreath. Then over here, this table is for gifts and everything, so we've got the sanitation station here that says spread love, not germs, the card container. All this will be covered with gifts, I'm sure. This is another thing she wanted us to decorate to kind of cover this door, so she had a ladder. And that is her bouquet on the ladder. So we just took my macrame and hung it up and leaned her ladder and her bouquet on it, and she just loves it. Now, since this is a drive-by, they put together cute little boxes with popcorn and s'more stuff in it for their people that just do a drive-by. So this is for the drive-by people. There'll be people here manning it. And just a cute little crate table and a beautiful picture of the couple. Then over here, like I said, we're in a real barn. This is a real working barn. And we couldn't really clear it out. And they didn't really want to be inside because it's beautiful weather tonight. I mean, look at the sunset. This is just stunning. So what we did was we pipe and draped about 10-15 feet into this. And they're using it for their backdrop. So we have a welcome to our wedding sign. And then the couple actually got married earlier this year, and this was the arch that they used for when they got married. They just had a simple thing that they wanted to do, so they're using it for their cake. And the bride really loves Polaroids, as you'll see when we get to that part. So she made a Polaroid frame to go above the cake for them to take pictures with. And then we put our barn door backdrop, we put greenery on it, and then she wants people to take selfies and post them. So she put these pallets up, and we decorated the bottom, put some greenery on the top, cute little table that holds, again, a couple of our vintage cameras, paper clothespins for people to hang their pictures with. There's a little disposable camera and stuff so that people can take pictures and hang them with it. And then the bride brought a rug even to put in here. It's kind of hard to see the rug because it's very neutral. And then we have a sign here for people so that they know that what they need to do in here. So this has just been such a fun wedding for us to do. And we just love what we do for brides. We don't always set up weddings. This is something that we do that's kind of special, but it's always fun because sometimes we don't know what we're walking into. So we bring the extra decor to make it look special. Thank you so much for watching. This is Kathy with Utah DIY Wedding. Thank you.